Shapa phethu kunjani cameraman ngithini mfokaswela Mswati lo mnanzi Football Fusion sibuyile with another one and angihambi ngiyi1 paka chuchu.
Well, abafethu kunjani? Ntoza abantu on screen we come again with another episode of Football Fusion. Bafethu siyabonga ukuthi nise around.
Exact shoot bafethu in this video actually siyayithatha sihamba nayo siyibeke KZN. Sizobuka ama teams as a KZN awu5. I think KZN is the only province and ama team amaningi ku PSL. Angazi mnganami, what does it mean for KZN football ukuba nama team mangaka mhlawumbe?
Yeah, I think ukuba nama teams abaningi it comes with responsibility one.
Yeah.
Two, ama benefits akho. We create a lot of jobs. KZN that's economical wise, you know. Okunye ke kuvuselela ithemba kubafana abancane.
Yeah.
I will talk about abafana base Richards Bay right now. I say two ama teams Richards Bay. Khona Richards Bay FC and there is also Milford. You get what I'm saying? So bayagqugquzeleka ukuthi bengayithola one day bedlalela one of these two teams. Yeah, because adlala at the highest stage in South Africa. So I think lokho kuyalivuselela ithemba kubafana abancane. So kubaluleke nje kakhulu ukuthi we have a lot of teams a KZN.
Yeah, usakhuluma ngabafana abancane just to add. Yabona njengoba lama team ase Richards Bay too. Angeke kumele abe nema reserve side.
Exactly.
So the small boys if you dlala ku DTC then you stand a chance ukuthi one day ngadlala nami ku PSL, you know. So it opens a lot of opportunities for abafana abancane. Okay, now some people must be asking themselves, who are my team as one game one by one and look at how these teams are structured, how they are doing with PSL.
Okay, sinama teams are 5. I will mention them. Asizotha Mazulu, Golden Arrows, Durban City,
City Boys,
Richards Bay, Rich Boys, and then Milford. You know, it's 5 of them. So success ngasho nje ukuthi they are scattered across KZN ngendlela okuyiyona yona kahle kahle. So italent nje liyakwazi ukuthi channeleke ngendlela okuyiyona yona KZN.
Sambe amaZulu.
Siqale ngamaZulu. Njengoba sikhuluma nje ngetalent. One thing about lama teams for survival they scout talent in many different areas around KZN and across South Africa for that matter, and they bring them into their system. Unfortunately, into ezakalayo once they are well established labadlali, they tend to seek ama greener pastures.
Yeah.
For teams survival as well in terms of financial yes. Bayadayisa labadlali laba and then get something to run a team eqhubeke progress ye phambili. That's the downside of it. But if we talk about AmaZulu nje kanje, I think AmaZulu are the only side that I would say the project yakhona is clear and it seems to be something for a long term the way they running their project. Even right now, so far they haven't sold a lot of players from their team, the previous season's team, and we are looking to see these players may continue to be even more stronger. And they've made some additions like a left back, a striker, you know, like you can tell ukuthi in their own budget they are able to run the team and beef up the squad ngendlela engafani nala amanye ama teams at KZN where they would be able to maybe get a player who's already established with PSL, like Umdaga, for example, because they've got Umdaga. He already understands PSL how it operates, you know. So abadlali abafana nalabo, so you more likely to see AmaZulu finishing consistently with top 8 and maybe getting a cup here and there. There will be something.
Yeah, they haven't won a cup in a while.
Yes, that's true. Okunye ke yikho ukuthi ngoba sisho sithi i-vision yabo i-clear. They want to win the league.
Yeah, you can tell they do want to win it. They are tired of being on top 8, so bantu abafuna ukuwina i-league nje.
Yes. Okunye ke futhi esingakunota, not just only about AmaZulu, is that even the coaches, the technical staff that is there in all of these teams, okay, not all of them, but most of them, it's homegrown talent.
Yes.
So it's very important.
So abantu understand that football as
yes, it's South African homegrown talent. You find uMangethe kuMaZulu, Simodladla kwi Golden Arrows.
Yeah.
You know?
Yes.
And so on.
Speaking of Golden Arrows.
The Golden Arrows, I think they find themselves as a mid-table team where if they manage to produce a talent langempela, they'll ship her out for survival again. But now they're a good team. I won't lie to you. They're a good team. It's just that it was interesting to see if they kept Umangoba, what would have happened. You know, because he was playing exciting football.
You can tell he was building something solid.
Yeah. That's correct. And even if ngathiwa uhambile uNdlovu ngoba uNdlovu ejoin iSundowns, you would see ukuthi bebezoyithola indlela yokwenza futhi still. So but they kept a lot of their players as well, besides uNdlovu. Okay, Cisse as well, who's also one bright shining talent. But most of their players, the core of the team, and they still have senior players. They have Sibia, Sulu, they've got Undwandwe as well. Those are players that keep a team running, even if it's in the dressing room, you know. I think one thing about our teams as KZN, finally akwazi ukufocus kuyona, it's to build identity. If they can be able to build identity, that's why uManqoba besifisa ukubona ukuthi engenzani, because it looked like wenza leyo nto leyo of building their identity, you know. So we're hoping good, but nabo they are one team engafinisha kwi top 8. So but they are a mid-table team for me.
So ukumention ukamba kwa coach, don't you think uzoba impact where they finish?
It may, because it's a new project, but because a lot of players they've been together, and kunana senior players, because enye into esingayinaka about football is to have leaders from that are running the team from the ground. Those are senior players. Senior players, because the young ones they tend to every now and again, you know, those small little behaviors angathandeki angagcina i-team ayenza ukuthi steer it into a different direction. So kubaluleke lapho leyo nto leyo.
Ngiyakuzwa. Asambe kuma current Nedbank champions.
I think that's one bright spark about KZN, because now we have a team ezodlala ku CAF, CAF Confed, you know. So it's quite important. I think I should upload the owner, Kadodia, because we know him from Maritzburg days, you know. He was the same coach, same owner of Maritzburg United. Yes, he just changed the name because I think he said that the stadium was at the time was where I am. Yes, he's been around the South African football in terms of like administration. He's developed a lot of players for all of us. Because you find one player like Umaboye who played for Sundowns, you find one player like Umakaring who played for Pirates. Banning abadlali who have scattered around the league abaqhamuka from the same management. Even Undlovu, yes, especially Undlovu, yes. Where I'm headed with this, ukuthi project yakhe, you would tell about by the signings that they've made,
Yeah.
they want to remain in the league.
Yeah.
They already finished
Good
number 8.
Yes.
They made it to the top 8, but they want to remain in the league. Regarding the signings about Wenzile, it's other players who have experience. Even though they have a new coach, but they've got players who have got experience. Serino, Musele, Morris, and other signings. They are beefing up the squad to be even more stronger.
Yeah.
So lokho kubalekile nje kakhulu mfethu.
And considering
Even though we
will confederations, so
Yes.
that's where the experience will come in handy.
Exactly. Even though Futhi we still would like to see a talent, as I mentioned already, this guy has done a lot for South African football. So we still want to see one or two players ebesingabaza baqhamuka from Durban City. Yeah.
Natal Rich Boys.
Yeah.
Natal Rich Boys.
Natal Rich Boys. Hey, yeah. That one, it's a different project. I wouldn't lie to you. It's a different project.
Is it different? Does it have a claim mandate if you look at it?
Sorry?
Does it have a claim mandate?
Jomo Sbia, that's the owner of
Richards Bay.
Richards Bay, yeah. He's been around for some time because you would know with Abatenganga status, they actually won the NFD to come to the PSL, and they've survived. I think it's how many seasons? 3 seasons.
Yes, 3, yeah.
Yes. So I think he consistent. Kufanele sikhulume ngayo, as we are saying ukuthi into ebashayo kakhulu eKZN lento yokudayisa abadlali. That's one team that I think I would say ihamba phambili in doing that. Idayisa abadlali. We've got potential already. Pirates, we've got 3 players in the past 2 seasons. Mbuthuma, Undaba, now we've got Uzulu, who's also coming from that side. I think that I think is something to mention is the fact that coach, I think Upapi Zotwane was making a lot of difference.
Yeah.
That team looked like a team, especially they made Umhlatuza a hostile environment for big teams, for that matter, you know. So shout out to Jomo Sbia for bringing the football into the northern part of KZN, because normally you would find that all the teams are playing here around Durban.
Yeah.
So ukuthi nje sibe ne total atmosphere outside Durban. That's nice. The only thing that I would upload about him, hopefully all of their home games now they can be able to be played in the Richards Bay, because as I'm saying to you, it's a hostile environment. It would help them in terms of ukuthi bakwazi survive. But if mhlambe they can be able to hold on to their star players mhlambe for a season or two, it will help them a lot, because they've got good players there. Kodabo Kumete Lapaya, who can still make a difference, you know. But in a technical team foot, if Bengaz wishinja, nakho lokho kubalekile.
Nelibhanisi lapha ne?
Yeah, no bans lapha.
Okay,
and he was discovered by Richards Bay for that bet.
I guess I'm big Maroc. Emil Ford,
yeah. Emil Ford, I would say there's not much to talk about Emil Ford in terms of players, because we're not following NFT kangako, because ayikho televised kangako, you know. But what I've seen, it's the fact that Cosmos, where coach is the driver of the bus, is the kid team manager, he's the owner of the team, you know.
Yeah.
But now step back, not down, back. and allow i-team ukuthi irane ngaphandle kwakhe na focus on bigger things. Excuse me. But the technical team, the players, they believe ukuthi he still has it in him to run the team. So we want to see them actually ukuthi baphetheni. Yabo. There are players who have been wowed before we Nedbank, even though I don't have the names, but now they will be playing at the biggest stage of South African football. So we want to see ukuthi bazoperform kanjani bona. Hopefully they survive. I just hope they survive. Yeah.
Hayi ke uma ubheka lama team ke sesiwahlahlelile. Uma wabheka ku PSL this coming season wabona aphelelaphi?
Okay, I think I already mentioned the Arrows, Namazulu. Okay, Durban City, I still see them also
The top 8.
Mid-table, they may miss it because of the CAF convert. That means it's more games and it's more traveling. It may take its toll on their side, Lapo. But Richards Bay, it's gonna be difficult. I think that's one team for me. It's gonna be difficult to say Uti. They will survive, but I hope they survive. Honestly, I don't see them getting into the top 8, but I hope they survive. And also Milford as well. I think Milford there's a lot to learn. So
but I think
you would give them time, because now I'm sure in
survive the first season, then you learn, then you can be more strong in the second season.
I think they want to reach 30 points early, because they know if you reach 30 points you will be safe. You will survive.
But they are going to play Premier's Cup. I think that's where mhlambe sewabona my team what are they cooking.
I think on our side mhlambe ukuthi sibuke i-Premier's Cup, because there's a lot to learn from KZN football. But we good state, I won't lie to you, good state in terms of ukubukeka.
Okay, sesiyivala le question obungayifuna. Since we have 5 teams as a KZN PSL, in the near future, do you see a KZN team winning a league?
Not in the near future. I must say that. Because remember, there's still a gap between our teams, unfortunately. But it's honest truth. There's still a gap between us, it's us and Sundowns and the rest of the teams. There's still if they try to close that gap, then we can say Guti. And the KZN team is part of those teams are closer that gap. Guti. It looks even. Not only just 2 teams are competing for the league. Then that's when, because you remember, I support Arsenal. Arsenal. It took years. They finished as number 2. They were competing, but they just crumbled. Competing, but crumble when it's even Pirates. It was the same thing, So that's the phase that they will still have to face. But compete for the league, it's difficult, Yes. So I hope Amazulu ngoba iwona bukeka ethembisa ngokwe project, they can compete for the league, because you start by competing for the league in order for you to be even counted as a person
as a contender.
Yes.
I give a fair today. You have it. I'm a team as a KZN Asazi. What you're taking all of the things that we have said? I'll comment down below. See you on another one.
But hopefully I support the other team, but at least mhlawumbe was ukuthola noma eyodwa futhi trophy,
like Durban City.
Yes, that's true. That's something to play for. It means that even participation is not enough. They still go on and win something. That's something.
We're out of here.